Welcome to online lecture series by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School Junior College of Commerce and Science. Welcome students, I Miss Alka Chaube taking class 10 subject algebra. So here students I am taking chapter 3, that is arithmetic progression. So let's move on question number 7, that is 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2 and dash dash. So here we have question number 7, and here the solution of question number 7 is the T1 is 3. As you know very well, we have to assign first the term. T2 is root 3 plus root 2. T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. And here T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. So first we assigned here the given term. Next is to find out the differences, that is T2 minus T1 formula, T2 minus T1, and here T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Clear? Now we have to write out the difference here. As you know very well student, this is minus and this is plus, so we can just cancel out this term, and here we are getting differences root. Next is D is equal to T4 minus T3, and here we have getting the term that is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of 3. Listen students, minus is here. First I can use the bracket, then I will explain how when we open the bracket what happens. Minus sign as it is, and here I am keeping all term in bracket. So therefore D is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus minus minus, because here we are opening the bracket, plus minus minus. So here that is 2 root 2. Clear? Now what we have to do it? We have to go for the condition. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancel out, as you know very well. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancel out, and here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Students, already you had done the chapter that is sorts in the 9th standard, and here we are getting the sorts chapter example, that is we are getting here root 2 as a common, that is known as like sorts. So here we are taking 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Clear? So root 2 we are keeping here as a constant, and 3 minus 2, that answer is 1. So here we are getting the difference is root 2. Clear? You can see here we are getting the difference is root 2. So hope you clear. We are having these terms, and here the differences of this 2 term is constant, that is root 2. So the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. So here students, we have question number 2, same exercise. We are taking 3.1, that is question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to find out? Write an AP. So here students, we have to make a sequence whose first term is A and common difference is D. As you know very well students, the differences between these two terms we always denoted by a D, common difference. And remember students, we considered first term, that is initial term, that is also we can consider A. So here that's why the first term is consideration is given here A. And here we have question, that is question number 2 ka third here I am taking, that is first term, that is A is minus 7 and the common difference is 1 by 2. So with the help of this common difference and first term, we have to find out the sequences of the term, and we have to find out does the sequences of the term is example of arithmetic progression or not. Clear? So let's move on. So here we have the first term, T1 is, that is A is first term minus 7, and we have this formula, as you know very well, that is the common difference is equal to T2 minus T1. With the help of this formula students, we can find out the next term, because as you know very well, we have to design here what? Arithmetic progression, and in arithmetic progression we have first term, second term, third term, and here we are getting only first term and the differences of the term, but here I am not having any terms. So how to find out terms? So let us understand how to find out terms. with the help of this formula, that is D is equal to T2 minus T1. In this term we have D, we have first term, so we can shift this term and we can find out the T2 term. That is T2 as it is, T1 is shifted here, it's become minus, become shifted plus. So D plus T1, D is 1 by 2, T1 is plus as it is, and T1 is minus 7 here. So when we solve this condition, that is T2 1 by 2 as it is, plus minus minus 7 by 1, cross multiplication. As you know very well student, denominator is not equal, so we have to go for the cross multiplication. That is 1 into 1, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2. So here we have 14 minus 1, that is 13. Bigger number is 14 having the sign minus, so we can apply a minus sign divided by 2. Hope you clear this. And students, when we divide this term, we are getting minus 6.5. So here we are getting the second term, that is 6.5. So in this way students, we can go for the next term, that is T3. Look at this example, look at this formula. With the help of this formula, I designed here the next formula. So in this way students, we can take D as it is and the T2 previous term T1. So here T3, so previous term, that is T2. In this way we can make the formula. So here we have the D, as you know very well, the value of D is 1 by 2, and the value of T2 what we got here, that is minus 6.5. Clear? After what we have to do it students, we have to find out the terms calculation, that is plus minus minus 6.5 divided by 1, and 6.5 as you know minus 13 by 2. So students, we can take in this way also, that is 13 by 2 if you are not getting properly, or otherwise you can do it this way, that is 1 by 2 we can take, that is 0.5 and minus 6.5 here. So when you go for the differences of this two, when you go for the minus of this term, so what will be the answer? Go for the rough calculation. Here I am doing the rough calculation students in note, so you can understand this. In the rough calculation we have the term, that is 0.5, and here we have 6.5. So how to go for this calculation? Minus term is as it is, or otherwise you can do in this way, that is 1 by 2 is as it is, 6.5 we can take, that is minus 13 by 2. Clear? So the 2 get common here. This is easy for you, and that is minus 12 and 2. So here we are getting answer is what? Minus 6. I hope you are getting this calculation is very simple as compared to the point. So here we are getting answer minus 6. So if you don't want to write this in point form, you can directly substitute this value here. Clear? So here we are getting the term, that is T3 is here minus 6. So here we are getting the term T3 minus 6. The term T2 is minus 6.5. And if you want to go for the next term also students, you can go for it. That is T4 is equal to D plus previous term T3, D as it is 1 by 2, T3 is plus minus 6. When we solve this term, that is 1 by 2 plus minus minus. Let us go for the term calculation. That is divided by 1 we can take here, and cross multiplication, 1 1s are 1, 6 2s are 12, and 2 1s are 2. So here we have 12 minus 1 is 11. As we know very well, this is plus and minus, so calculation is very simple here. You can see calculation is very simple. That is 12 minus 1, 11. Bigger number is 12 having the sign minus, so minus. And when we solve this, we are getting answer in point, or otherwise you can keep as it is, no problem. 2 5s are 10, and again 2 5s are 10. Minus sign as it is. So hope you clear students. In this way we can find out the arithmetic sequence also. So how to write the sequence? So we can write in this way. Therefore the AP is equal to that is the first term is here. We have first term, as you know very well. The first term we have minus 7. Second term we have minus 6.5. Third term we have minus 6. And then we have 5.5. Clear? So in this way, write an AP. So in this way we can write, student, the sequences. In this way we can write the sequence of the given term, and in this way we can find out lots of terms, students. So let's move on question number 4. The question number 2 ka fourth here I am taking. In this example, again the same condition. The first term is given and the common difference is given. So let us go for the solution. As you know very well, students, the first term T1 is equal to A, that is minus 1.25. And here we have to find out the next terms. So again I am writing the formula. D is equal to T2 minus T1. Star equation, because we have to remember the formula, and here we have the term that is T1 and T, so we have to find out T2. So T2 is as it is, D plus T1. We are shifting this, T1 is here, so D plus T1, and as you know very well, the value of D is here 3 plus T1 is minus 1.25. So therefore the value of T2 is 3 minus 1.25. And as you know very well, students, how to find out the rough calculation. The value of 3 is as it is. We can take point 1 here. So here we are getting 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we are getting 9. 9, 8. So here we are getting 7. And here 2. So 2 minus 1, that is 1.75. Here we are getting answer, and bigger number is 3, so we are getting the common difference. The term T2 is 1.75. Let us move on the next formula. As you know very well, here we decided the formula, that is T3 is equal to D plus T2. So again, students, the rule will be same. D is constant plus T2, and T2 is here 1.75. So what will be the next term when we add this? So again we are going in the rough calculation. So here when we are adding this term, so we have to add this 5, 7, 3 is 4. So here we are getting answer 4.75. So term T3 is here we are getting 4.75. So here, students, you can see we are getting the sequences of AP is first term, that is minus 1.25, second term 1.75, and third term is 4.75. So here we have the terms of the sequence. Okay, so here we have question number 3, and in question number 3 here I am taking question number 2. In question number 3 we have to find out first term and common difference. Clear? So question number 2 is 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, dash dash. So in this question, students, we have to find out first term and common difference. So how to find out first term and common difference? As you know very well, students, we have to find out the formula of difference here. So let us first assume the first term, that is T1 is 0.6, T2 is 0.9, and T3 is 1.2, and T4 is 1.5. Clear? Then after we have very clear instruction about the differences formula, that is D is equal to T2 minus T1. Clear? And the term T2 is here 0.9, T1 is 0.6. And when we have to find out the difference of this two terms, 0.9, 0.6, let us go for the rough calculation here, that is 0.9, 0.6. So here we are getting 0.3 answer. So when we are go for the minus term of this, we are getting 0.3. Clear? If you want to check all the differences constant, so you can do it, students. But here we are getting first term. As you know very well, first term is T1. So A is equal to T1, that is 0.6. So here we have first term is 0.6 and common difference is 0.3. Clear? So in this way, students, we have to find out first term and common difference. Let us move on one more question, that is question number 4. In this question we have 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4, comma, dash dash. Let us move on the solution of this question. So again we have to initialize the first term 1 by 4, second term 3 by 4, and the third term, that is 5 by 4, and the fourth term, that is 7 by 4. After that, what we have to go for is, we can consider initially T1 is equal to A, that is first term 1 by 4, and the D is equal to T2 minus T1 as we know very well. Here you can see, students. Then after T2 minus T1, that is D. So T2 is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. T1 is this. So answer is, base is common here. So base common. 3 minus 1 is 2. So here we are getting the difference, that is 2 by 4. If you want to cancel this also, you can cancel out this term because both are present with the same table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are. So here we have, students, the first term, that is 1 by 4, and the common difference is 1 by 2 here. So hope you clear about this. All is the solution of the exercise, that is first exercise of arithmetic progression 3.1. Thank you, students, and the remaining question of this exercise you can practice at home. Any doubt you are getting, you must ask.